Just wanted to take a second today to introduce the new YCS Crawl Haul for 2021. As many of you guys know, we're in constant communication with our contractors, trying to see where the needs are in the Crawlspace industry. This product is a perfect example of those conversations. We saw a need for a tool to get materials in and out of a crawlspace without having to drag them through the dirt or through the mud. This is a really nice, robust, strong aluminum cart. We've got handles on both ends to allow for both pushing and pulling of the cart in the crawl space. The cart is designed to be able to carry a load with two different wheel orientations. The wheels can be moved wide to carry rock or a dehumidifier, stone to haul debris out of a crawl space, or they can be moved in narrow where you see them now to use the cart to carry tape, adhesive, scissors, knives, lights, that sort of thing. This cart is never going to break down. It's really sturdy. It's fully welded. The wheels are strong cast plastic, and the cart will be around for a long time. If you have any questions about the YCS Crawl Haul, visit our website or give us a call today.